guys, I thought of creating an Indo-Western Rakhi look for you all today, and these are the products that I've used. I have already applied my foundation, and to set it all in place I'm using the Deborah Milano Velvet Powder. Next, to add some dimension to my face, I'll be using the Master Contour palette from Maybelline and start contouring my cheekbones, jawline and nose. Then I'll take the blush shade right here and apply it to the apples of my cheek. And lastly, I'll take the highlighting shade here and apply it to the high points of my face like cheekbones, cupid's bow and the tip of my nose. For the eyes, I'm using the 24K Nudes palette from Maybelline. I'm using the dark brown shade right here and will blend this to the outer eyelid. I'll then use the copper shimmer shade and blend this to the inner eyelids. Just to brighten up the eye, I'll be taking the silver shade here and apply this to the inner corner of the eye as well as the inner waterline. I'll take the dark brown shade again and apply this to the lower waterline. And now it's time to try out the wing liner. Just in case if you guys fail at it too, just like I do, then I have a solution to it. Just take some masking tape and stick it from the end of your eyebrow to the end of your eye and just go ahead and wing it. And there you go. Here you have your perfect wing liner. No look is complete without a mascara, and for this Indo-Western look, make sure you load your lashes with mascara to add that extra drama to your look. Next, fill in your brows with a brown eyeshadow or an eye pencil. Because it's an Indo-Western look, let's add a bold lip color. I'm using the extra lipstick from Deborah Milano in a deep red. There you go, here's a perfect Rakhi Indo-Western look for you guys. Hope you guys loved the video and recreate this look. If you do, don't forget to tag me in your posts. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Nadia, and also follow me on my Instagram. I'm gonna see you super soon guys. Bye!